Hi friends, I'm Parvez and welcome to Python GUI Development course with PyQt6. This course is divided into different parts. In the first part, we will have a simple introduction to PyQt and also installation process. In the second part, we'll learn about different widgets in PyQt and working with Qt Designer. In the third part, we create a simple notepad application using PyQt. In the fourth part, we talk about database handling in PyQt. In the fifth part, we talk about 2D graphics and painting. In the sixth part, we talk about Qt Quick and QML, that's Qt markup language. In the seventh part, we create example on PyQt charts library. In the eighth part, we create a simple library management system using Qt Designer and also MySQL database. And in the last part, we talk about Qt multimedia library in PyQt.